we were about to start the nature of the roots, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me give a quick recap, but this I already told. So let me tell you guys again that we have a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation, and we know that from quadratic formula, the solution of this quadratic equation, which are alpha and beta, because the degree of this quadratic equation is 2. So we will get two solutions. Now, what kinds of solution these are? So this is determined by, let's say, so to calculate the solution of this quadratic equation from the quadratic formula, first we calculate the discriminant. So discriminant is given by b square minus 4. Now the quadratic formula says that the solution would be, so the solution would be minus b plus minus b square or root d by 2. So this is from the quadratic formula. And now this d determines the nature of the roots. So if d is less than 0, we can see it from here. So if d is less than 0, we get a negative number in the root. So that is imaginary. So then we get not real solutions, right? And if d equals to 0, then alpha and beta both are minus b by 2. So we get equal, or we get real and equal roots. And if d is greater than 0, so one would be plus something that, and the other would be minus of something that. So we'll have two distinct roots, but that would be real again. So real and distinct or unequal. So this is this part is called the nature of the roots, right? And it is determined by this d discriminant. Okay, so this is all about the nature of roots and quadratic formula. Okay, so Talha just joined. Okay. Yes,
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, sir, wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, Jannatul Maqam, Dozzakul Haram. Okay, so I was just talking about this quadratic formula, Tala, right? So we are just revising. So we have just started the revision part because up to circles we have completed. So now we are starting, or we have just started the revision portion. So I was talking about this quadratic formula. So the other method to calculate the solution of a quadratic equation. So first we calculate the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, and then we calculate the solution or roots of the quadratic equation by this formula, right? And we also can determine the nature of the roots using this quadratic formula or using this discriminant. So if d is less than 0, we don't have any real roots. If d is equal to 0, then we have real and an equal root. And if d is greater than 0, then we have real and unequal. So this part we were discussing. Right, everybody? So now you guys remember, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now let us do few questions from NCRT to get a hang of it, and then we'll start the assignment part. So I've got only the okay. So yeah, let me bring the assignment of Shaima, the question paper of Shaima that was asked, and then we can discuss those questions. Okay, where is that? So this part. Okay, so Tala, first is your turn, right? Yes, Tala, are you there? Oh, he got disconnected. So then there's one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we have this first question because in the revision portion, all the question you guys will. So we have this question, let's say this question. So we have to find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real root exists, find them. So first we have to find out that do we have a real root? So this is the quadratic equation. So all of you guys calculate D and tell me. All of you guys.
Sir, the second one, sir.
Yeah, this one.
Mm.
Calculate G guys and then tell everyone. So from Rizwan and then Shaima and Ashif, Shuhir and Aisha. So Aisha, you write your name like this because generally Aisha is written like this, right?
No, sir. My spelling is AISHA.
AI. Okay, so everyone please calculate right and then if we get the hang of these kind of questions, then we'll do the assignment question. So in the meanwhile, let me upload Shaima's assignment to the note.
Sir, I have found the answer.
Okay, so what is the answer?
It is equal
Sir, I don't
to
understand.
0.
0?
Mm,
Okay, Amar, you also got 0. Where is that?
No, sir,
yes, sir,
actually, I
it
can't
is 0.
understand this.
Oh,
The
you didn't understand.
discriminant is
Yeah. Now,
Okay.
now only my laptop is working properly. I don't know what happened now.
Oh, so you
yes.
know. Okay. So good, Amar, that you asked this question. So we are just calculating the discriminant because discriminant tells us about the nature of groups, right? Okay, so who has written in the chat box? My computer is hanging. So what is happening? So who has written in the chat box?
Sir, I also got 0. D
Who
as
also
0.
D is zero. Okay. So Amar has asked this question 48 minus 40. Oh, Harsh, you have also got 3. So Amar, we have to calculate this discriminant, right? And discriminant tells us that whether the roots are real or unreal. Okay. So for these two cases, the roots are real, right? And for this case, roots are unreal. Right, Amar?
Yes.
And okay, Shoaib also got Shama one. So D is B square minus 4AC. Right, Amar?
Yes.
So B is how much? Yeah, rest of you guys calculate the solution. You guys have got the correct D. So you guys, because if the real root exists, find the. Yes, Amar, what is B?
4 root 3
So minus 4 root 3, right?
minus 4
Minus,
root 3. Yeah.
absolutely right. So minus 4 root 3 square minus 4. A is 3 and C is 4. So what, yeah, what will we get? This is 16 threes are 48 and this is 16 threes are
Yes,
40.
40.
4, 8.
So 0. Yes, Tamar. This was the
So
question,
it's
right?
3x. Okay, okay.
So now we have got t equal to 0. So the real root exists, right, Amar?
Yes.
So the roots are there. So this was the question. And if roots exist, then we have to find the roots. So everybody, what was the root that you guys got? Yes. And okay, guys. So what is the root?
4 root 3 by 6.
4 root 3 by 6. Okay. So Shaima got 4 root 3 by 6. 4 root 3 by 6. So this is 2 by 3, right?
Sir, I got 2 root 3.
I got 2 root 3 divided by 3.
So I got 2 by root 3, sir.
By root 3. Okay, so that is, so if,
Hmm.
so this
Only
divides this,
cancelling and it will change to 2 by root 3.
yeah. So we don't
Yes.
have to, yeah. The roots are not in the denominator. The conventional way, this is correct. The answer is correct. But the conventional way is that we don't write the roots in the denominator. So we have to rationalize it. So we'll get 2 root 3 by 6. Okay, so this is how we write the answer. Okay, so everybody got the correct answer. Good. So, Amar, what did you get?
2 root 3 by 3.
Good. So everybody got the now. Okay, good. Everybody. So now let us do the second question. Right. Okay. So this will be over. And then after this quadratic equation, what should we start, guys? What should we revise? AP. Yes,
Sir, AP.
AP. Good. Okay, I will take a vote, right? So you guys will vote for what chapter that you guys want to start. So we have this second question, right? Find the values of k for which the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. So Amar, what is the condition for the equal roots?
Equal to d equal to 0.
Absolutely right. So d equal to 0, right? So you guys put the d equal to 0 and find out the value of k. Okay, all of you guys please do and tell me. Okay, where did Tala go? So it did, oh, Tala came, yes, Tala. So you disappeared and then you came back again. So how's the network? Yes. Okay, everybody calculate because this is the practice class. So everybody please calculate and tell me what are you guys getting. And yeah, if anyone has any doubts, so that we can discuss. Okay, so you can't unmute. Okay, so you have come back to Qatar, right? Or where? Jeddah.
Okay, is root 24?
Route 24. Yeah, you are getting Route 24, Shaima.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, same, sir.
same. Route 24 is how much? So 4 root 6 and
Sir,
2 root 6.
yeah, two
So,
root 6.
okay. So, Rizwan is also getting 2 root 6.
Sir, I also got 2 root 6.
Okay, good. So, we have an agreement to this answer 3 votes for 2 root 6. Let's see that plus minus. Okay, so plus minus. Plus minus. Because if it is plus, so plus minus 2, 6. Okay, right. And so did you guys, was the equation like k square equals to 24? Did you get this equation?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, so then this would be plus minus, right? Because we have two solutions, k square. So there would be two answers, right? And if we put right, so if we put minus, then if we say change the sign, then we'll get back the original equation. So yeah, yes, okay, Tala and Amar and Shoaib. What about you guys? What are you guys getting?
Say Shobo.
Why are you disturbing
Route 24.
Route 24? So Amar also got Route 24 and Shobo also got right 20. Okay, so plus minus as Harshit is saying, right? Because we have two solutions. Okay, Tala. Oh, you can't unmute, but you can write it in the chat box, right?
Sir, 1 second. Okay, I had to let my cat outside.
Yeah, you have to what?
So I had to let my cat outside. Can you give me 1 minute?
Okay, yes, yes, absolutely. Yes.
Or else he'll shout forever.
Okay, okay. Okay, Talha. Did you understand this problem? Should we do this problem? You can write it in the chat box, Talha. Talha. Yes. Hello. Hello from the other side. Yes, Talha. So, did you understand the problem or did you get the answer? Or should we discuss this problem? What should we do? You tell us. Yes, Talha. Yeah. Yes, Talha sir. What is happening? Okay. Yeah, your book finished. So, okay, your notebook is finished. Then what are you saying? Okay, so let me do this problem and then we'll do the assignment problems. You didn't do anything. Okay, so let me solve this problem for you. So we have to calculate d equal to 0, right? And the equation is kx x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. So this is in the general form, this is 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. So a is k, b is minus 2k, c is 6. So b is 0, which means that b square, which is minus 2k, and minus of 4 into k into 6. This is 0, right? Oh, so we didn't get, this is not the solution, right? Root, huh? Okay. So, yes,
So
4k
why is
square.
there minus 2?
Yes,
So which
yes,
question number is it? Oh,
this
second
one,
one.
this one, this one. So which question did you guys do? This one.
Yeah, I was doing the first one.
You guys did the first one.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes.
so I wrote this one, second one, right?
Okay, okay.
Oi,
Sorry, my
that's,
mistake.
yeah, that's why I thought that's why I am getting a different. So let us do this problem. So 4k 6 equals to 0. So 4k is common, and this is k minus 6 equal to 0. So we have two solution, k equal to 0 and k equal to 6. But let's say this equation. So if k equal to 0, then this equation is not a quadratic equation, right? If we put k equal to 0, then we get 6 equal to 0, which is not true, right? So then this is discarded, and then this is the true solution. Understood, Talha? So this is how we do these kind of problems. Okay, understood, Talha? Okay, so now let us do some assignment problem. Very serious assignment. Yeah. So we have, so Rizwan did that problem, right? We don't have any word problem. So let us start from the simple one, right? For what values of k the roots of equation are real? Now this would be so simple to you guys. So let me find the value of k for which x equals to 2 is used. This one is a different question. So, okay, who got disconnected again? Talha again. What is happening with Talha? Yeah, so remember this is a different question, guys. The third one. You guys do this third one, do this third question and tell me the answer. So should I zoom this? Let me zoom this, right? So that
Yes.
now is it more clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you guys please do this third problem. Remember, this is a different question. So this is like a polynomial question. And everyone, please tell me the solution. So I will use the short names, right? Because if I write
Sir, k equals negative 1 by 4.
Negative 1 by 4. And yes, remember this is a different question. We have to use the polynomial part. In the polynomials, we have done this kind of problem. So, Talha is back. Yes, Talha, what is happening with your network? So we are doing this third question, and
Sir, I want to change my answer. K is 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay, so in this class we can do that, right? Okay. And what about everyone else? So if x equals to 2, this is the crucial information. X equals to 2 is a solution, right? This is the only crucial information. Hmm. But didn't understand the problem.
I'm getting different answer.
Yeah. So what answer you are getting? Just
K equals minus 1 by 4.
that
I
is
don't
what
know why, sir.
Shaima got in the first place. Yes,
Hmm.
Hashid, Amar, Shoaib, Aisha, and Tala. What about you guys?
Sir, I actually want to change my answer back.
Sir, k is minus
Wait,
1 by 4.
wait,
It's negative 1
Minus.
by 4.
error.
Okay, so k equal to negative 1 by. Good, so you guys see that this answer has a majority. So Amar, Shoaib, Aisha, and Tala. What about you guys? What is the meaning of x equals to 2 is a solution? So let me give a hint. You have a px and p2 is one of the zero. If this is one of the zero, then what happens? I can give you this much of a hint. Yes, guys. Yes. So Harshit also got. Yeah, Harshit, you already told that the answer. Okay. So then let me discuss this problem. So Shoaib also got minus 1 by. Okay, so let us understand this problem. Good guys. So we have kx square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So if 2 is the solution of this equation, so I can put x equals to 2 in here. That is the meaning of the solution, right? So I can write it as 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 3. This is 4k plus 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is minus 1 by 4. Everyone, yes, good. Rizwan, Shaima, Hashid, and Shuaib. Amar, Aisha, and Talha. Did you guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Talha cannot speak. So then let us do this next question, right? So, yeah, in this class is meant to be for the practice purposes, right? So if you get the answer, if you don't get the answer, don't worry at all, right? So you are here to learn. Okay, so which question should I give? Let us do the simple one and then. So this fifth one, guys. This fifth problem. You guys solve this fifth problem and then we'll do this eighth one. Oh, what is this? Is this the question? Okay, so you guys first do this fifth one and then we'll talk about the next question. Oh, who got disconnected? So Talha again got disconnected. What is happening with Talha? So the fifth one, guys. And again, this one, Shaima, Hashim, Amar, Shuib, right? And then Ash. And you guys also, on your behalf, you guys also practice some different question. And if you guys get any doubt, so please ask me that, right? Because all the portions we have completed and now we are doing the revision. So that's up to you guys that how much you guys can cover. So now you guys have to just practice these kind of questions.
Sir, P equals 6.
P equal to 6. Good. Yes, Amal.
So I don't know this one.
Oh, you don't
Sir,
know.
P is
So
equals to 3.
P equals to 3. So we have a
Yes, sir,
disagreement.
P equals 3.
P equals to 3. Okay, so Shaima, work on your calculation. Okay. Okay, Amal,
Sir,
we'll
I'm
discuss.
getting 3.
3. Okay, so yes, Amar will discuss this question. So remember, two equal root. So as we have said earlier, we have to find out t equal to 0, right, Amar? This question you have done. Okay, this one, Shuib. Yes, Amar, did
Sir,
you,
doing sir.
yeah, did you apply this condition, Amar? Shuib also got,
I can't understand the question. That's why.
oh, you didn't understand the question. So you see that we have this quadratic equation. And this quadratic equation has two equal roots. So when the quadratic equation have two equal roots,
So I got 3 sir.
okay, so let me discuss this problem. Good, good, Amar. So whenever you don't understand, this is what I expect from all of you guys. If you don't understand, please ask. So we have this quadratic equation, right? Small. So 2 root 5 px plus 15 equal to 0. And this has two equal roots. So for equal roots, d equal to 0, right, Amar?
Yes.
So d is b squared minus 4a, right? And this is equal to 0. B is how much?
2 root 5
Minus. So
minus 2 root 5
2 root 5p,
minus
right?
2 root 5.
Coefficient of x. So this is square minus 4 and then p and then what is c? 15. So this is equal to 0. So we have how much? 420 P and minus of 4P and 15 equal to 0. Right. So what is common here? What is common?
Minus 4.
Sir, it's 20p square.
20p square. Yes, yes, yes. Sorry. So 20p square. So what is common here, guys? Amar?
Yes.
One is, yeah.
20p square minus 4.
So 4 is common, right? And 5
Yeah.
is common and p is common. These three things are common, right? So this is
Yes.
p and minus of how much? 4 you have taken, so 3 and then 0. So this is 20p p minus 3 equal to 0. So 20 cannot be 0, right? So which means that p is 0 and p minus 3 is 0. So you have p equal to 3. But for the case of p equal to 0, this equation becomes 0, right? So if I put the p value to be 0, then you get 15 equal to 0, which is not possible. So then this is discarded and then we have this one. Understood, Amar?
Yes.
Okay, good everyone. So now let us do this, which one? So eighth question, guys, eighth one. I'm seeing that this is a little bit complicated. So eighth question, guys, because the rest of the ones are similar ones. So, so eighth question. Oh, mighty. This is a lengthy one time. So everyone has started revising, right?
Yes, sir. So this
Good,
chapter is
good.
not in my exam.
Huh?
Hmm.
So the next chapter is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So in the next few classes, in the next class we'll complete this chapter and then on Sunday we'll start the PP.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in anybody's school, if your teacher has started a new chapter which we have not done, so please guys tell me and then we'll start that chapter.
Say, did we did chapter 9 some applications of 223?
So ninth,
We didn't it, right?
yeah, they didn't do. Oh, we didn't do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
we
yeah.
didn't do.
Mm,
Yeah, we
in
have
my
not.
school, they started today. Just today.
Yesterday.
No, today.
Okay, ninth chapter they have started. So, okay, let's see. Yeah, we'll. So will they ask this ninth chapter in your exam?
No, sir.
Then we can do the revision part, right?
Mm, yes, sir.
Okay, so this was not that lengthy, guys. What happened? And remember, this is not the general form, right? So we have to make it in general form and then solve it. No one got the solution.
Sir is K2.
K2. Okay,
Yeah.
so K is Aisha is getting 2. Okay. So let's see, Aisha, what everybody gets, and then yeah, then we'll discuss this question. Oh, in the meanwhile, I can upload Shaima's paper. So K is -2. So Hashid is getting -2. Hmm. So one of you guys, Hashid or Aisha, please check your side.
Where, do,
So you also got 2.
yes.
Good, good. So
Sir, can you
let
show how to do it?
okay, yeah. So absolutely, Shaima. Right. So yes, Hashid also got 2. Okay, so first we have to simplify, right? Yes, good guys. So yeah, so this equation is x square plus 2kx and plus k minus 1 plus 2. What is happening? Oh, what is that? Oh, what is this? Okay. So this is minus 2. I cannot erase this one. So my system hanged and okay. So let me write it here. So then what is so d is 0, which means that b square, which is 2k square minus of 4, and then a is how much? 1, and c is how much? K minus 2 plus 2, right? So then this is 4k square, right? And then this is minus 4, and then this is how much? K square minus 2k plus 2 equal to 0. So this is 4k square minus 4k square plus 8k and what? Minus of 8 equal to 0. Huh? Yes. So k square minus 2k plus 2. Right. And how did you guys get? I'm getting 1.
So how 2k?
Yes.
You said k square minus 2k plus 2.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, this is minus 1. Yes.
Yes.
This is minus. Yes.
Yeah.
So k square minus k. Yes, good. Sorry. So k, then we'll get, yeah. So we'll get, sorry. So this is 4k and then 2. Good. Yes, understood, Shaima.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us move on to the next question, right? And Amar, did you get the solution?
Yes, so now before I got stuck in the doubt, so it's fine now.
Yeah. So that's why I say that this is a complicated question. So the idea is, but same, right? Okay. So
Yeah.
now let us. This part is not very easy. Okay, so which question we should take? Because all the rest are same ones. This one is different. 14th one. So you guys do this 14th question. Okay. Please do this part and then we'll see. So we have any more difficult? This one. So 20, 22, 20. Good. So first let us do this problem first. And then in the Wednesday class we'll start doing the more complicated ones.
Sir, did you said any question to do?
Yes?
Did you ask any question to do?
14th one. 14th
Ah,
one.
okay. I didn't heard you say sorry.
Yeah. So, yeah, rest of you guys, yeah, so you heard the question, right? All of you guys? Yes? Harshit, Sharma, Aisha, Amar, Shwet, you
Yes, sir.
guys,
Yes.
so you guys heard the question, right? Okay, so please do that and then I was just uploading Sharma. I will do that in the next. Uh,
Sir, K is 6.
K is 6. Okay, Shaima got 6. Rest of you guys, what do you guys get? K is 6. So Hashid also got 6. Yes, Rizwan, Amar, Shoaib, and Aisha. What about you guys? Shaima, yeah. So from today onwards, there would be no backup classes. So we will do the revision in this class only, right? Because we have completed or we have covered the whole syllabus. So in this class only, so that everyone revises, right? So in this class only, we will do the revision. Okay, Shaima. So
Sir, I'm getting 6.
okay, so everybody got Rizwan. You
So I got 6.
okay? Good. So everybody got 6. Good, good.
So
So
my keyboard died.
keyboard died. What happened to
Yes.
your keyboard?
I don't know. Rest in peace.
Okay, so yeah, oh, you could have told me, right? Yeah, sir.
Mm.
So yeah, maybe your keyboard is hanging or something like.
That's a battery finished.
Oh, battery died. Okay. So yeah, see you guys on Wednesday, and I will upload. I will upload Shaima's question, and then yeah, then we'll do the question from that day. Okay, guys. So see you on Wednesday. Bye, guys.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
bye,
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye, sir. Thank you.
bye. Okay, what is happening? So okay, so this is hanging too much. Yes. Hello, Amira. Hello, Tejasvi. Uh,
Good evening, sir.
good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, so what were we doing? Where is Abhi? So
Sir, Abhi
let's.
told she won't be joining today, right?
Oh, yes, yes. Yeah. So she
She's
told.
traveling.
Yeah, yeah. Good, good. You remembered. Okay. So then we can start the class, right? And yeah, so then we can start the class. Okay, and so there will be no, from today onwards, there will be no backup classes, right? Because we have covered all the up to quadratic equation we have covered. So what I will do is that first I will complete circles, and then we'll start the revision in this class, right?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
I got my question paper today.
Oh, you got the question paper or the
I
you
mean,
got the
question paper.
Assalamualaikum,
what?
sir.
Walaikum salam, Mira. Walaikum salam. So you got
My
the
exams
syllabus.
will be starting from 26th, sir.
26.
Same.
Same. Same. Good, good. So you guys start preparing, right? And not just preparing, just start practicing more and more questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, oh, so you got the syllabus, Tejasvi. So please
Yes,
send me that. Yeah.
yes, sir. I have sent already.
Oh, you have sent it. So let me
Yes,
ask
sir.
you that. So there is a new group that has been made. So are you guys in that group?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so send it to that group because I'm in that group. So okay, 10th. Sean was the 10th. Which one is this? You have sent me. Yes. So science, English, mathematics. Only how many chapter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10, 15.